are a small business owner and want to reach Chinese customers in your city, this Chinese social media is extremely useful for you. Like this California fruit vendor, he uses it to sell to Chinese customers and every day there is a long queue. I believe you can do it as well. It doesn't matter if you don't speak Mandarin, just follow me step by step. I will show you what Xiaohongshu is and how to use it. So now let's boost your business together. So you may know Chinese in your city are your highly potential customers, but you, local small business owners or self-employed, may haven't reached them. That's because Chinese people tend to stay on Chinese social media and get information there. One of their favorite is Xiaohongshu, which literally means little red book. Xiaohongshu is like Instagram or Pinterest, where users can discover new things and ideas from people around the world. When I want to try some new restaurants, look for travel tips, local events, or yoga class, search on Xiaohongshu is my first choice. I recommend you Xiaohongshu because firstly, it has 43 million users, very popular among Tier 1 and Tier 2 cities in China, and also among Chinese communities overseas. Secondly, it has English version, so you don't need to figure out the Mandarin things. And thirdly, it is as easy as posting on Instagram, so there is no difficulty for you. So now I will show you how to use Xiaohongshu. You can search Xiaohongshu in your App Store and download it, then sign up with your phone number. Here you can choose your country code and input your number. After that, it will send you a verification code. After you receive that, just input it. On the next page, it will ask you your gender and your age. So just give you answers. So then it will ask you about your interest. You can tick multiple boxes. Then next. Voila, you have your account. Step 2 is turn language setting into English. I think if your language setting on mobile is not Chinese, then the language setting on Xiaohongshu might be English as default. But if you randomly jump into the Chinese version, just follow my instructions. So you can click the right corner, there's a button on the left top, and then click the system one, click these 4 characters, and these 3 characters, then English. So now you are done, you can read every characters in English. Step 3 is edit your content and publish. So you can see on the main page there is a small right plus button, just click it. Then you can choose your pictures and videos from your album. Then click next. The first photo will be your cover, so make sure it is clear and attractive. You can add text or stickers and even the filters. There are plenty of templates, or you can edit your cover on other applications before, then upload it on Xiaohongshu. After you edit your content, click next. For the title and text, you can use your own language. I believe most Chinese living in your country can read your language. For example, this cherry vendor posts in English and you can see there are many Chinese people comment below in English. Or you can simply translate your language into Chinese with Google Translate. So here is an air conditioner cleaning service provider. I found them on Xiaohongshu, and I can simply tell they are not native speakers. And they said yes, they just use Google Translate. And finally, I became their customer. Woo! After adding title and text, you can just click post. So now you finish all the editing.
Nice.
Xiaohongshu users may post questions on the comment area, or they may send you the private message. When you receive new likes, comments, private message, or you have new subscribers, there will be a right point on the message button. You can just click it and engage with them. Here is the yes and no on Xiaohongshu. Firstly, I suggest you post frequently. Don't give up if your first or second post don't get many impressions. It takes time. Secondly, I suggest you to use some Chinese keywords in the title because it will be matched with the algorithm faster and give you more impressions. Certainly no QR code, no link, no phone number, otherwise your post will be blocked. I hope you find this video helpful and feel free to leave your comments if you have any questions. My channel focuses on China's and Asia's interesting innovations and cultures. Welcome to subscribe. I'm Ichi. See you in next video. Bye!